Hello sa tanan! Hello po sa lahat! Hello everybody! Hola! Hola! This morning, we are going to translate some basic words from English, Bisaya, to Tagalog, then Spanish.
Our first phrase is good morning.
In Bisaya, maayong buntag. Maayong buntag. In Tagalog, magandang umaga. In English, good morning. And in Spanish, buenos dias. Buenos dias
Next,
is how are you? How are you? In Bisaya, kumusta ka? In Tagalog, kumusta po kayo? In Spanish, ¿cómo estás? In Spanish, ¿cómo estás? So, the answer for that question is, I'm fine. In English, I'm fine. In Bisaya, okay rako. Okay rako. In Tagalog, okay lang po ako. Okay lang po ako. In Spanish, estoy bien. Estoy bien.
number 4 is
When you are asked, what is your name? What is your name? In Bisaya, unsay imong pangalan? Unsay imong pangalan? In Tagalog, ano ang pangalan mo? Ano ang pangalan mo? In Spanish, ¿cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas?
to answer the fourth question.
What is your name? In Bisaya, ang akong pangalan, si Teacher Mamshi. Ang akong pangalan, si Teacher Mamshi. In Tagalog, ang pangalan ko ay Teacher Mamshi. Ang pangalan ko ay Teacher Mamshi. In Spanish, mi nombre es Maestra Mami. In Spanish, mi nombre es Maestra Mami. And to end with our basic language translation, this is all I can say. That's all for today. Again, that's all for today. In Bisaya, maulang sana sa karon. Maulang sana sa karon. In Tagalog, yan lang muna sa ngayon. Or yan lang muna sa ngayon. And in Spanish, eso es todo por hoy. Eso es todo por hoy. Thank you so much. Salamat, salamat. Gracias.